What if I told you that your daily scroll through TikTok could actually make you rich instead of just wasting your time? TikTok isn't just for dance trends and viral memes anymore. It's becoming a financial playground for those smart enough to see the opportunity. But here's the catch. Only a few know how to play the game and win. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 TikTok side hustles for 2025 that are helping everyday people turn views into real income, sometimes faster than they ever imagined. Stay until the end, because side hustle number 5 has a twist that could snowball into long-term wealth if you act now. Ready to stop watching success and start building it? Let's go. Side hustle number 1, TikTok faceless affiliate pages. Let's start with one of the most underrated power moves on TikTok, faceless affiliate pages. Here's how it works. You create a niche page. Think books that change lives, or gadgets for busy moms. Then you post short, engaging videos showcasing Amazon products, digital courses, or tools, using trending audio and simple captions. No dancing, no showing your face, no camera anxiety, just smart content plus affiliate links equals passive income. The best part? TikTok's algorithm loves niche content. Some creators are making $500 to $1,000 a week after just a few viral posts. Scared to get started? Good. That fear is telling you it's time to break your comfort zone. Or you could just keep watching cat videos. That's cool too, for your bank account's retirement plan in 2087. Side hustle number 2, TikTok UGC, user-generated content. Now imagine making money on TikTok without even posting to your own profile. Welcome to the goldmine of UGC, user-generated content. Brands are paying creators to make natural, unfiltered product videos because they convert like crazy. No followers required, just your voice, your phone, and your creativity. One of our viewers started UGC with zero experience. In 60 days, she landed 5 paying clients and made over $4,000. Pattern interrupt, playful tone. Meanwhile, your AirPods have been hearing you talk to your microwave for free? Why not get paid for talking to a camera instead? Side hustle number 3, TikTok to digital product sales. Here's where TikTok becomes a money printing machine. Create a simple digital product like an ebook, a Notion template, or even a budget planner, and use TikTok to drive traffic. You make it once, it sells forever. We call this the sell while you sleep strategy. All it takes is one viral post, just one. If that doesn't excite you, check your pulse. And here's the beauty. You don't need to be a genius or guru. Use tools like Canva, Notion, or ChatGPT to help build your product in a weekend. Seamless transition. Now, speaking of turning creativity into cash, the next side hustle is for people who want to build long-term influence without being internet famous. Side hustle number 4, voiceover monetization via TikTok. TikTok voiceover content is blowing up, and so are the income streams behind it. Creators are recording voiceovers for motivational reels, educational TikToks, and even short documentaries. You can charge for your voice, license your content, or even start your own faceless channel using viral scripts. Think about it. You talk every day. Why not turn your voice into an income asset? And before you say, I don't like my voice, neither did Morgan Freeman until he became Morgan Freeman. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Cliffhanger, and finally, the most explosive side hustle on this list, the one that could build a following and a business at the same time. Side hustle number 5, TikTok first drop. Drop servicing is like drop shipping, but with digital services, and TikTok is the perfect launch pad. Here's how it works. You create viral TikToks around a pain point, like struggling with ugly logos. Then you offer a solution. Even if you don't do the work, you outsource it. You keep the profit. It's the middleman model of the digital age, and it's scalable. People are building full-blown agencies off of this, with TikTok driving every lead. Urgency trigger. This model won't stay untapped forever. Once people catch on, competition explodes. Would you rather be early and rich or late and learning? TikTok isn't a waste of time, it's a weapon. If you've watched this far, it means you're serious about building wealth. Not someday, but starting right now. These side hustles aren't just trends, they're tools. Tools that can help you escape the paycheck to paycheck life. Tools that build freedom, ownership, and legacy. But knowledge means nothing without action. Which one are you starting today?